Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve the system error 21472191996 when you are attempting to open up the Windows Photo app and it is not working properly or will not open. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start by opening up the Start menu. Just left click on the Start button one time. Type in Windows PowerShell. Best match to go back with Windows PowerShell. You want to go ahead and right click on that and then left click on Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, left click on Yes. Now I'm going to have a command in the description of my video. I want you guys to copy it directly from my description and then go up to the top bar of the Windows PowerShell window here, right click on it, left click on Edit, and then left click on Paste. Once it's pasted in, it should automatically begin to run here. Once that's done, you have a blinking cursor here, just close out of here. Now you want to go ahead and open up the Start menu again, type in Store. Best match to come back on Microsoft Store. Go ahead and left click on that one time. Click on the search button. Now you want to type in Microsoft.Photos and hit enter. Underneath apps, you want to select the best match, which should say Microsoft Photos. Go ahead and left click on that. And then left click on the Get button. If you want to sign in across multiple devices, you can. Otherwise, just select No Thanks. And then left click on the Install button. And that should be it. So close out of here, restart your computer, and you should have the Microsoft Photo app working properly. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.